Millie Bays here, and that's with an M, not with a B. Today we're going to show you, follow me please. Today I'm going to show you how to use power and work to your advantage walking upstairs. You see, when you use work and power, you can make an increasingly large amount of steps that you can take. That didn't make sense coming out of my mouth, but you'll understand in a second. So this large metal pole here was made by man. And man has created such a wonderful thing that we can actually use this to walk upstairs. So you see, you put your arm on this, you flex your bicep just a little bit. So if there's any ladies coming down the thing, they can see your bicep and they see that you're actually trying to put work into your step. So now you're going to start walking up the stairs. So you see a normal person, they walk like this, and sometimes they could get tripped or something. But not Millie Bays. So Millie Bays, he starts from the bottom and goes straight to the top, just like Drake did. So when he starts from the bottom, grabs the rail. Firm grip, nobody can pull me off. Here, just let me show you. Come here. My assistant will show you that I cannot be pulled off the bar. Pull me, assistant. Look, now I'm stuck on the bar. My hand is glued to the bar as if it were a part of me. So now we start our walk. So I start walking, boom, firm grip, flex biceps, start walking, boom, firm grip. Oh, sorry, I said grip. Grip. Not a glip. You have to put a firm grip on the middle bar. If you put a glip, that would make no sense. And we see flex the bicep. And sometimes, when you're doing this, you can actually grip a little farther, and you can take 2 steps. See, when you actually, you flex the calf of your leg. So when you flex the calf, it tenses up and gets a little stronger. So if you put it at a good 90-degree angle, you can actually step perfectly. And so when you do this, that's a 2-step right there. That's what I call that, 2 steps. And so, let me show you again. So firm grip, a little farther up, bicep flexed, 90-degree angle, knee is perfectly aligned with your hip bone is perfectly well, boom, 2-step, and you're there. Now let me show you why this is a safe thing also. Because this bar in the middle keeps you from falling. So, let's say some idiot is running up the stairs and tries to trip me, right? So I'm over here, and my assistant is going to demonstrate him tripping me, which will not happen, which is why I'm showing you this. So you take a grip, do that. Now assistant, come try to trip me. So he's going to try to trip me. Oh, cannot trip me. There we go. He trips, falls back down the stairs, and we're good. You see that? What an idiot. That's what you call a retard, ladies and gentlemen. He cannot hold on to a rail, so he therefore falls down the stairs. Anyways, so now let's show you what happens when you don't hold on to the bar. Here, come here. This is what happens when you don't hold on to the bar. You fall down the stairs and you could possibly die. It's very lethal. Fatalities, ladies and gentlemen. Fatalities are a big thing in nowadays society. Look at this. Hello? Boom, dead. You know why? No railing. This cannot be your rail. You people at home, take a good look at this man. He lost his glasses in the process. And he went a little AWOL.
So we go over here, and see, I'm limited on time, so I'm going to do it really quickly. The amount of power I have, this is the amount of power I have. If I can increase the power as I throw me up against the wall. And there's also watchers from the side who are witnessing the mugging, but they don't do anything because you're kind of a scary person. So anyways, you stop, and now you realize that he has something in his pocket, and he's already dazed from getting hit against the wall so many times that you can reach in without him even noticing that you're stealing from him. See, so now I have to apply force. I have to apply force to the pocket to make sure it's in there, and he has them skinny jeans, so you got to apply more force to pull it out. And see, now your hand's kind of stuck, you got bigger fingers, it's going to be a little harder. You pull out, boom, pull it a certain distance, and that's the distance it takes from here to there to get the phone out and tuck it in, run away as if you're an NFL football player. And if you got that, ladies and gentlemen, one more time, in, out, that's distance and force, which equals work. And I'm going to go this way with his phone, and he is going to get mugged once again by someone else. Millie Bays here. There's classes going on inside, so we can't talk very loud. But I'm about to show you how to open a door correctly. This idiot is opening the locked door. Get out of the way, right? He was trying to open the locked door. Anyways, see, phrase that. Force to the handle. Once again, flex the bicep, put your hand on the rail, open it up like Millie Bay shows you. You open it up with this amount of work. Let's say I apply a certain amount of force, like 10 newtons or so, right? So see, now I can open and close the door with however much work I want to do. And my assistant is on the ground right now, and he will get up in about 1 second. 1 second. Get up. There we go. All right, so Millie Bays forgot what to do with power. Can you show Millie Bays what he's supposed to do with power, assistant?
Yeah, you see, I was on the ground and I got up.
What's up?
This is one of our customers for Millie Bay's products. You see, he used the door correctly. With enough power, he can open it up twice as fast as the normal human being. Hey, customer, say hello to the camera. There we go. Now that's a happy customer. You see, this door is locked. How do we unlock it? We can't because we don't have a key, because we don't even belong here. This isn't ours. This is somebody else's door that we're using for our film, for my product. Anyways, my product is actually a protein drink that helps you increase your biceps so that you can open doors even harder. So anyways, assistant, let's show them how you can't open the door because you don't have enough power. That's weak, right?
You see, there's zero distance. The door is moving zero because I'm not applying enough
Power
force
or force.
or work
Power
to
and
the door.
force and work, they're all just one big thing, right? And now he's frustrated because he cannot open the door. But see, what Millie Bass has always taught his young Jedi is that he has to focus on the door. And if you focus precisely hard enough on the handle, you can actually open the locked door. Right now, I'm not applying any force or any power. I try to open it, does not work. But see, if I try hard enough and I go, let me emphasize the fact that you do need to put your knee at a 90-degree angle. So if you go low enough, like this, like so, there are a lot of people watching us because they are scouting our project for my product. Anyways, let me show you again. 90-degree angle here. Cameraman, zoom down. Just put a little down right there. If I go to a 90-degree angle, sort of as if I was on one knee, I can precisely stretch a little, crack my back if I wanted to, and also